In this video, we will introduce the switch prompt language function of the FX7 unit. Restore factory settings. Intercom button. On-off button. Press and hold both the intercom button and the on-off button for 3 seconds to restore the FX7 to factory settings. Power on. Press and hold the on-off button for 3 seconds to turn on the FX7 unit. Enter pairing mode. Press and hold the function button for 3 seconds. The FX7 will enter pairing mode. Switch prompt language. Press the function button twice to switch the prompt language.
Welcome to Fodsports Communication System.
Press twice again to switch to the next language.
ファドスポーツ Bluetooth コミュニケーションシステムへようこそ。
That's the complete tutorial of the FX7 language switch function. Thank you for watching.